Okay, so good evening, guys. My name is Christine, and I will be with you yet for another session, live from Gloucester. And today's question is quite it's quite meaty in the sense it's quite it's quite a difficult one. So I'm looking forward to all the research and all the answers that you have to offer. So let's start off with Arush. Arush, can you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your day?
My name is Arush Kumar. I study in class 4F. My school name is LWT School, Mega City, Kolkata, and my favorite hobbies are playing, singing, and dancing. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, and what did you do with your day, Arush?
First, I woke up in the morning at 9 o'clock. Then I got ready for my classes. After my classes, my tuition teacher came. Then she teach me lots of things. Then after that, when she went, then I played this till 6 o'clock. Then I joined 6:30 to 7:30 online classes. And I'm joining a class.
Excellent, very good. And what is the difference between invention and innovation?
First, I'm going to tell about innovation. Innovation is the successful exploitation of new ideas. It involves turning an invention into a commercial success and encouraging its widespread use. This is the stage where bold ideas, once properly developed, are brought to the public eye. This is what Uber has achieved. Now that its product is in use all over the world and benefits people everywhere. I'm now going to tell about invention. Invention is the physical creation of a new concept or idea, like product design, business models, or working prototypes. To do, make, or something without verification that it works.
Okay. Okay, and can you give us examples of innovations and examples of inventions?
Like innovation in Uber versus taxi digital innovation. Like in Uber, we need to download the app, then we log in through our Google account or we use our phone number or Facebook account. Then after logging in, we just order a taxi. So it asks for our address from from where to pick up and where to drop.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to put all those things. Then the Uber driver also asks you because your kid might have put in a wrong address also. So the Uber driver also asks that where I need to go. So then the passenger says I need to go, like for example Howrah station or a train station.
Okay, so that is the example of innovation.
Or I want to go to an airport.
Okay, so can you now try invention?
What, ma'am?
Invention. Can you give us an example of an invention?
Invention is the physical creation of a new concept or idea, like product design, business models, of working prototypes, to do or make something without verification that it works.
Okay. Okay, for example, the telephone was an invention.
Yes.
Yes, it was something completely new.
And computers, mobiles.
Exactly. Innovation is includes a change.
Yes.
Okay, so it's using your ideas, implementing your ideas to create a change in the use of something. Invention is completely something new, and it's generally a device or a process. Good, very good. Thank you very much, Arush.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next we have Navya. Hi, Navya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm very well, ma'am. Ma'am, just a second.
That's okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your day?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Navya Agarwal. I study in class 7 in Calcutta, and my day was really hectic as I had assignments and I also had the following headaches, so it was really hard for me to cope up with the day.
Okay. And what are you going to do now after class? Do you still have work to do, or what's going to happen?
Tomorrow is a holiday because of Vivekanand birthday. So tomorrow is a holiday. So basically today I won't be studying anymore. My studying time are over. So after this I will eat my dinner and rest.
Excellent. Brilliant. Very good. Okay, so can you tell us a bit, what is the difference between innovation and invention?
Which one should I say first?
Whichever one you like.
Okay, innovation is something that is already invented, but it has been made, but it has like over the years, it has made a few changes. Like it has been a more better and good version of it. For example, I would like to say Google. Like Google was first not that really like not used at all. Like first it was not used at all, but nowadays it has been such a good version. Everything is now available in Google. All the apps are in Google. So I would say that's a type of innovation. And invention, I will say something that is made up from a creative idea, like startup companies, like they invent their own idea, they start it, and then they invent it, like then they tell the other companies that we have invented this. So I think that's invention and innovation.
Okay, good. Okay, so if you had, so the innovation is it's something that's already started, but there's a change. Yes.
Yes, like a upgrade change.
An upgrade, very good, an upgrade or an alteration or revolution or a transformation. All of these are similar, in fact, are synonyms to innovation. Whilst an invention would be something completely new.
Yes, completely. Like a person's new idea. Like the best example will be a startups company.
Excellent, excellent, very good. And it's something that is unique as well. There is nothing like it.
Well, we can't say until and unless we have tried it on our own. Like I just said it because everyone is different and everyone is unique in their own way. So of course their ideas will also be unique. So until and unless we have tried the thing, we won't be able to say it's unique. But of course, startup companies always do their best they can because they want to show people that they can also do something.
Excellent. Very good. Okay, thank you very much, Navya.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, next we have Navya, sorry, Nidhi. First off then. Nidhi, can you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your day?
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Nidhi Sonthalia. I live in Jamshedpur. My husband name is Vinit Sonthalia. He is a businessman, and I love cooking, dancing, and reading books. And I'm become honors. Thank you. About today, as usual, I woke up at 7:30. And it's so cold here. It's raining since morning, so very cold. Just nothing much today. I means my son have to submit his Sanskrit project, so whole my day spent there making that project.
I completely understand.
Yes.
Okay, and what about you? What did you find? What is the difference between innovation and invention?
Invention is the creation of any new product with demand of time, with as with new technologies as arriving, while innovation is the act of making changes to an existing product by introducing our new ideas or new ways. And I think invention requires any scientific skills, or when an idea strikes to a scientist, then only invention will occur. While innovation is a demand of time, you can see a broad set of marketing, technical and strategic skill.
Excellent. Very good.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
And for example,
Okay.
you can, as an example, we can take a car as a transportation car, because car is an invention, but with demand of time, with technology, now there are Uber, Ola services. This we called as innovation. There's some modified version of car,
Very good.
because yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Good. Good explanation there. Very good explanation. Good. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move on now to Harshita. Harshita, can you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your day? And then we'll move to
Hello,
today's question.
Christine.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Well, my name is Harshita Singh and I'm a college going student. And today my colleges were off because unlike other colleges, the holidays are on the weekends, or the holidays are on Saturday or Sunday. But in my college, we have a different schedule. We have off days on Tuesday. So today's my college were off. So I kept up with my notes and prepared myself for the communication class, and I made sure that I spend my today more and more with me, because it's a very busy schedule for a college going student, especially when you have to keep up of your studies with the online classes. So today was my rest day.
Okay, very good. And can you tell us a bit, what is the difference between invention and innovation?
Well, the difference between invention and innovation, there is a very thin line of difference between an invention and an innovation. Invention means creation, and innovation means alteration or revolution of the products that is already created. Like, for example, Thomas Alva Edison was the creator or the inventor of bulb. But now we have LEDs, tube lights, and many more manufacturers and infrastructures of the bulbs. So bulb was the invention, but LEDs and tube lights are the innovation. And at the same time, invention can be innovation, but innovation can never be invention. Because to innovate something, first we have to invent something. So that's why invention is the creation or the mother of all the scientific skills and knowledges. And innovation is just the upgradation of that thing. Like I am working on my body. Like first I was invented, I was created. And if I start working on myself to transform more and more, then I am innovating myself. So that's the difference between invention and innovation. Innovation is transformation and invention is creation.
Very good. So one is a creation, the other is a transformation. It's an upgrade. Very good.
Yeah.
I think you described it very well there. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Thank you very much. Let's move on now to Ambika. Hi, Ambika.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Can you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your day?
Thank you, ma'am. I'm Ambika Rai. I'm living in Kolkata. Thank you. And my days was, it's normal. I have to write a book because I have to submit on last week of February. So I was a little bit busy. That's all.
What book are you writing?
I'm writing a scientific book because I am a researcher. So
wow.
I have to write a book. I have to submit that one in February. Actually, I have done my PhD on multiferroics, so I have to write on that topic. Multiferroics.
Multiferroics?
That is ceramics.
Multi-ceramics.
Okay, you are using ceramic for different products, for household things also.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, and how far are you in the book? Are you almost finished, or?
What sorry, ma'am?
How far are you in the book? Are you halfway?
Oh, no. I have to submit on last week of February. So I have started. 50% I have covered.
Oh, wow. Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, good. Excellent. So can you tell us now, what is the difference between innovation and invention?
Yeah, invention is the creation of something which is not available uh, everywhere, which is not available anywhere ever before. Whereas invention is an art of change of the existing product. For example, a cellular phone or a phone. Generally, we are using a smartphone, whatever we are saying. That mobile phone, you can say, that was discovered. That was invented by Martin Cooper in 2007 of Motorola. But Apple make the renovation, add some different features to it, and launch in different types of mobile phones, that is implement different ideas and process for very first time. So that is innovation. In invention, we are using the original ideas and works on theory. And we need also the scientific skills. Again, it is limited in invention. Sorry, in invention, all these things are that is original ideas, works on theories, and that is scientific related. Scientific skills, we need scientific skills, and it is limited over the research and development organization. Whereas innovation is the practical implementation of the new idea, and it depends upon the marketing strategy and technical, and it is the mixture of various new ideas and spread across the organization.
Okay, very good. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Ambika. Well done. Okay, next we have Isha. Hi, Isha. Isha? Hello, Isha? Hello? No? Okay, let's go to Samikia. Hi, Samikia.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Samikia. Can you please introduce yourself to everyone and tell us a bit about your day?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Samikya Sambardhana of class 7. I'm studying in St. Vincent Convent School, and I'm staying in India, in Odisha at Barampur. And my hobbies are to doing drawings and
Sorry, can you carry on, please? Can you tell us, Samikia? Samikia? Samikia, I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, you were telling us about your hobbies. No, don't be sorry. That's okay. Can you tell us a bit about your hobby?
Yes, ma'am. My hobbies are to doing paintings and drawings, and also I have done a painting today.
Okay, very good. What did you paint today?
A type of a scenery which just depicts that there is many buildings and there are clouds.
Very nice. Okay, so can you tell us the difference between invention and innovation? What are the differences?
Ma'am, invention can be told that the thing that the word discovery also suits to it, and also invention means the thing that had been never done before or known before, and that it had been done by someone with a the creation of some product that is a new thing and that have been never done or never known, that's known as invention. And innovation can be told that someone who have changes the thing that had been invented before. We can change the change of something, or the we make some significant some changes that can tell innovation.
Okay, okay. And do you have any examples that you can give us?
Ma'am, I don't have none.
You don't have any examples. That's okay. Okay, so we talked about inventions. So invention, for example, the invention of the mobile phone, the invention of the telephone, of the television. Those are all inventions. They weren't there before, but then they were created. Innovation is, for example, when Apple, we mentioned Apple, or now we have OLED and QLED screens. That's more of an innovation. It's more of an upgrade of something that wasn't there before. Okay, well done, Samikia. Let's move on to Isha. Hi, Isha. Isha. Isha, are you there? It went on mute a bit before and no, guess not. Back to mute again. Okay, so let's see Shamili. Hi, Shamili.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So can you please introduce yourself to everyone and tell us a bit about your day?
Okay. So my name is Shalini Khatwani. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad, India. And my hobbies are dancing, singing, and playing video games, especially. Thank you. And today my day was a little busy because I had to go for my college again for some technical issue to my online classes. And then my student came because I'm a tuition teacher. So my student came, I taught them for 3 hours, and then went for a walk.
Excellent, very good. Okay, so today's question. What is the difference between invention and innovation?
Invention is the creating of a new thing that hasn't existed before. It is a new idea that work on a oral knowledge. It is not a practical done. And invention and innovation is something that is creating of a new thing that has been already existed. It is a written idea or a practical thing, and it is done to change something for something better. For example, our first ancestor, human ancestors, which they made wheel, and now we are using wheel for main purpose for making potters and for moving cars. And for the first time when it was made, we use only bullet cars to pull. Wheel is used, and now we can use wheels in many type of ways. Like I already told for potter wheel, or like for moving cars, for moving train, a lot of things. Thank you.
Excellent, very good. Good job. Okay, next we have Ritika. Hi, Ritika.
Hi.
Hello, can you please introduce yourself to everyone and
Yeah.
tell us a bit about your day?
Yeah, sure. I am Ritika Agarwal and I am from Haryana, Mahendragarh. I am currently doing BCom from Banasri Vidyapeeth. That's it.
Okay, very good. And can you tell us now, what is the difference between invention and innovation? Ritika?
Yeah.
Can you tell us the differences between invention and innovation?
Invention.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Can you tell us the differences between invention and innovation, Ritika?
Yeah, sure. Invention means discovery, right?
Invention is not necessarily a discovery. It's not a discovery at all. Invention is something unique, so something you create, something new. Okay. Okay, and what do you think an innovation is?
Sorry, invention.
What is an innovation, Ritika?
Innovation.
What is innovation?
Sure.
Mhm.
Freshness, something new things, fresh.
Mhm. Okay, fresh new things and fresh new ideas. Okay,
Yeah.
good. Good. Okay, so invention is something new, it's a creation, whilst innovation is an upgrade. Okay, thank you, Ritika.
Oh.
Thank you, Ritika. Okay,
Hello,
Isha.
ma'am.
Isha. Yes, hi, Isha. Can you introduce yourself and go to today's question? Tell us, what is the difference between invention and innovation?
Myself. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Isha.
Mm-hmm.
I am from Ambala, Haryana.
Mm-hmm.
I have done my MS. I have done MSc B.Ed, MSc in Mathematics from Kurukshetra University.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is the difference between invention and
Innovation.
okay? Invention means is to create something new. Invent something means to create, and innovation means create something new which is acknowledgeable and more interesting.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
More affordable. This is innovation.
More affordable.
More affordable.
It might not necessarily be more affordable than innovation. It isn't necessarily more affordable. It is a change. Sometimes when we have an innovation, it is more expensive because it's newer, something that's newer.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, do you have anything else you would like to add? Do you have anything else you would like to say, Isha?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay.
I have a
Last,
technical issue, so that's why I have joined later.
it's okay, no worries. Okay, last but not least, we have Sanjana. Hi, Sanjana.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello,
ma'am.
good evening. Can you introduce yourself and tell us what is the difference between invention and innovation?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sanjana. I'm studying in class 7. I'm studying in Raj Vidya Bhavan Metric Higher Secondary School in Thurayur. My hobbies are drawing, painting, and reading books.
Very good. And what is the difference between invention and innovation?
Ma'am, invention means creativity of new products. Create new products and invent and search of new products.
Okay.
And innovation means the invent that products after we can decorate that we can make that innovation.
What did we do?
Example. There is a small part we can innovate in the soil. Innovation, there is a soil, we can make a part that is an invention. After we can paint the pot. That is a decoration. Innovation.
Okay, yes. So if you paint the pot, it's more innovation because you're creating, you're giving it a new idea. It's a bit of an upgrade. Okay, I see where you're going with it.
After the early man invent the fire and wheel. And this time the fire is used for cylinder gas. And the vehicle is then more faster vehicles.
The wheels changed into more faster of vehicles, modified of vehicles.
Okay.
That makes more pollution. We saw that invention of that things. We saw surprisingly.
Pricey. Okay. Okay, so you're almost there. I think you've understood it, but I think you've understood most of the concept. But just in case, I will clarify it for everyone. So today we had to look at the differences between invention and innovation. Now, when we talk about invention, we are talking about something new, something that was never here before, not a discovery. Fire was a discovery. We just discovered it. It was here, but we discovered it. An invention is completely creating something new. Telephones were not here. TVs were not here. Laptops were not here, but we used what we had and we made something new. Innovation is an upgrade, is a change, is a transformation. So we use something that we already have and we make it better. Not necessarily more affordable though. So that is just something for you to think about. So thank you all for joining today's class and for giving me all the information that you researched. And I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. It was lovely having a full class today, and I hope to see you all tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.